Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, good morning. Just pulled up on a Nissan 350 something Z. Customer has a key. It's KR5 TX7. I don't have any. I've got some KR5 TX3s and 5s. So I'm going to show y'all how to make a key, an Autel universal key. We don't like to use these for a couple. I mean, we don't use these for a couple of reasons. We have all of our Nissan keys, but man, they come in handy when you just don't have one. You need to order some, or they can't get any in right now, or they're out of stock, so you buy some. So you have these as your backup. So you can use IM608, but we have the KM100. So what you're going to do is go to Universal Key, and then you're going to put in your make, which of course is Nissan. Now this doesn't even show Z, but the Nissan Titan uses the same key. Not the Tiana, the Titan. God damn it. Alright, and then we're just going to say 22 because it doesn't have anything past 22. So there it is, the first one, KR5 TXN7. So we're going to click that, and your key does have to have the battery in it. So then you just put it in the slot and say generate universal key. And you wait, it takes a minute or so to program that. And as soon as that gets done with the job, they're generating the key. Then you go to the car and program it. We'll show you that next.